guys, today we're eating food. I'm eating fish and Lola is eating fish too. And we're eating fish. You can see the chunky of that rice.
And we're eating fish.
That's my Lola.
And we're eating fish.
But the cats want to eat the fish. So I follow the cats. Do you know how I follow them? I follow them with this. Like that. Baba! Like that. That's how I get mad. Also, I get mad at Mugmug. Sabi ko, Babas! And Baba! And my grandma is eating fish. No, it's fish. You want fish? Here. That's nice. I hear that there's a fly. There's a fly away. Fly away. Tinik. Ano yung sa English ng tinik?
Kim! Paan ko na ka rin yung pusa yung nasi niya? Nasi. Paan ko na ka rin pusa? Wah. Titak na mo yan.
My grandma is doing something. And then I drink the water.
Yung pambagyo. Wala pa pang pasok bukas kasi.
Ano?
Wala ka pang pasok bukas.
Ba? Ano ba yung papasok? Ay, Lola, ano yung sa English ng tinik?
Tinik.
Sa English.
Fishbone.
Fishbowl? Guys, today, there's actually a fishbowl and a fish. That is you gonna give it to the cat?
Muklo. Kim. Kim, ano yung mukmuk palwal mo? Ay? Oh! Parin. Ay! Shh! Mukmuk! Labas ka! Labas! Labas! Shh! Hoy! Tuga mo ang tanong. Tuga mo ang tanong.
Away, fly away.